welcome back to my channel, Dark Skin Beauty _FE. _FE means forever. So I created this channel for all my dark skin beauties out there and everyone else who also enjoys watching makeup videos and hair tips videos and vlogs. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, you can go ahead and subscribe now. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be coloring my hair with the L'Oreal Paris hair color. So it's something different, something that I never done before. I never colored my hair on myself before. So if you don't know already, I don't know German, but I live in Germany because my husband lives here. And there's nothing in this box that is in English, but I have asked my husband to help me, and he basically told me what I have to do is just mix all the products in here except the conditioner, which I'll show you in a minute, and then I just apply to my hair. This is called the Wild Ombre, that's what it says there. I'm hoping the color is going to look a bit like what I have here, what I have now. So I'm hoping it's going to look a bit like this, but a bit more brighter. I haven't done anything to my hair like color-wise in 2 years, so I want to change. So let's see what's inside the package. These are some of the items that came inside the box. So we have a brush, they have given us a glove, we have a conditioner. This is the bottle that I should mix everything in, and then the box has these 2 products. So what I have to do is I have to pour all of this in here. This is definitely bleach. Let's do this. I just quickly washed my hair, gloves on. It's done. Oh my god. So it's done for sure. One main thing is, before you try any dye, you have to get it tested to make sure that you're not allergic to dye. Because if you are, then it's a serious thing. Wow. No, it smells like hairdressers, right? Guys, I am done dyeing it, and I hope you guys like my new design on my t-shirt. And now I'm just gonna put this in a foil, because that's what the hairdressers do. So the time now is 8:52, 9:30ish. I'm gonna wash and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's been more than 45 minutes. I'm gonna now take this off. Ooh, I feel like there's already color. I don't know if you can see there. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hair and show you guys how it looks like. Yes, so it has definitely worked. I'm gonna do a hairstyle on it tomorrow morning and I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I think that hair dyeing process was success, and next time I'll definitely use the same brand if I want to color it a bit differently. I'm gonna curl it because for this color and the haircut I had, the curl will look really nice. Ta-da! This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun making this video as well. So if you like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon with another new video. Love you all. Take care. Bye.